In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel and delete a Squarespace website. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a site is permanent. It removes your website content and takes the site offline. If there's anything you might need later, like images, text, or design settings, consider exporting or saving copies first. Also, if you have a paid plan or a domain through Squarespace, deleting a site typically stops future billing for the site plan, but domains and add-ons may be managed separately. Keep that in mind as we go. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and heading to your account dashboard. There, you'll see a list of your sites. Find the specific website you want to remove. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the site name and thumbnail to avoid deleting the wrong one. Once you've located the correct site, look for the three dots, the More Options menu, on that site's card. Click those three dots to open a small menu of actions. From that menu, select Delete. This option is intentionally tucked away to prevent accidental clicks, so make sure you've chosen the right site and that you're ready to proceed. Clicking Delete initiates the removal process for the entire site and all of its content. It's normal to pause here and quickly think through whether you've saved what you need, especially if the site has blog posts, galleries, or custom code you might want later. Next, a confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure. Read this message carefully. It will remind you that the action is irreversible and that once you confirm, your site will no longer be available. When you're confident, click Delete again to finalize. Some accounts may prompt you to confirm in an additional way. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After you confirm, the deletion will begin and the site will be taken offline. If you visit the URL afterward, you'll no longer see your content. A few closing tips to keep everything tidy. If your domain was purchased through Squarespace, review it in your account later to ensure it's managed the way you want, since domains are separate from the site itself. If your domain is registered elsewhere, remember that your DNS records may still point to your old site. Update them when you're ready so visitors don't hit a dead end. And if you only needed a temporary break rather than a complete removal, consider pausing or downgrading instead of deleting next time. That's it. Your Squarespace website is now canceled and deleted. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm your backups and billing so everything stays squared away.